I remember I must be 7 years old when my father first took me to the slopes. Because of that earlier exposure to adventure, I think I've always been hooked to it. When I'm here in Gulmarg, every single morning, I love to wake up to the snow-covered pine trees. I also get to meet a lot of people from different parts of the world and to learn about their culture, the way they think, and their mindsets. I think this has broadened my horizon and the way I look at life. Skiing for me is more than just a sport. It's a dance where mountains lead the way. You know how small you are when you're battling nature. When you're climbing those heavy mountains and you're standing in front of a tree which is like 100 times taller than you. When you are testing yourself in these hard conditions and extreme climates, I think that is something that keeps me grounded. I think flying and skiing both are similar because both require precision at high speeds. I was almost on a verge of joining defense services, but AirAsia just happened to work out. I don't think any other company would have supported me the way AirAsia helps me between my work and my love for skiing. My dream is to climb Mount Everest, and I'm sure AirAsia will support me the way they have supported me right now.